Hello everyone, this is Alex from EP. Today I'm glad to introduce this new budget saver to all of you. The model name is called EST104. EP's upcoming 1-ton capacity, 24-volt full electric stacker to optimize multiple tasks and tight storage stacking. With its max lifting height of 3.6 meters, similar to our steering product EST102, it can cover most of your regular applications. And its max drive speed is 4 kilometers per hour. And it's equipped with 80-volt maintenance-free battery, which can last for more than 2 hours working hours. And also, we will have the lithium-ion solution to replace the current battery, which you can realize all the advantages from lithium-ion technology. As you can see from the video, the chassis design is very tough and stable with a very modern shape design. Now the prototype is equipped with plastic cover, but we will have metal cover when we officially launch it. The metal cover will be very strong and can protect the internal parts. The truck adopts EP's common components, such as 12-easy tiller head with BDI, and also EP standard drive units, standard hydraulic units. All the common components can ensure the quality, stability, and efficiency. With all the advantages I mentioned, EST104 will be the most price-competitive product in our stacker series. If you have customers love shopping on budget and are looking for durable and powerful solutions, EST104 will be definitely the one to check out. Please contact your sales manager to get more information for this truck. Thank you for watching.